Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can get these over at japancrate.com, and if you use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, you'll get a discount. Not too bad. Alright, let's crack this open and see what's inside. So as you can see, when you crack open the box, the first thing you're greeted with is this pamphlet. And as you can see also, it's the October 2020 Umai crate. So this pamphlet has all the information about what's inside, how to prepare it, and everything. By the way, if you don't know how to read Japanese instant noodle instructions and things like that, don't lose this, or you'll be screwed. It also comes with a recipe card. Alright, so I'm just going to go through everything in the box and take a look at it and talk about it. So, let's go. Alright, so the first thing we've got here is Nature Ramen Sesame Soy Sauce. So yeah, this is a Shoyu ramen. It's got Michio Kawamura on it. He's a radio talk show host in Japan, and he's all about natural stuff. There's some natural feature to this one. They're generally pretty good, so that's cool. This will be a nice one. Next up, we've got some Tanuki Oyaji Tonkotsu ramen, and this is from Yamamoto. It's funny because I reviewed this exact variety, except it was a straight noodle version, so it's like the long pack with the 2 servings. Yeah, I did that on Friday. So this is just the instant noodle block fried noodle version. Generally really good tonkotsu, nice and creamy and a kind of a seafoody kind of taste to it. So yeah, this will be good. Here's some more of the Yamamoto stuff. This is their spicy cheese Napolitan. It's like a play. It's like a ramen, but it's a play on Italian. I don't know if I've had this one. I've had one that looks an awful lot like it. I think maybe the one that I had wasn't spicy, but generally, this Yamamoto stuff is pretty decent, so we'll see. Next up, we've got some Daikoku Kitsune Udon. Kitsune translates to fox, and Kitsune Udon usually has some fried tofu that comes with it. The other one that you might find would be Tanuki Soba. And Tanuki Soba is kind of the same deal, except of course the noodles are slightly thinner. They're usually buckwheat soba. And it comes, instead of with the tofu, it'll come with tempura. So there you go. Oh, and look at that. As it turns out, here's some tempura udon. So this is basically Tanuki udon to go with the Kitsune udon. So you've got both different kinds of animal noodles. Oh, and Tanuki translates to raccoon dog. And for those of you who don't like anything in their food, we have samurai ramen. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's see. What does it say on the pack? No MSG, no garlic, no animal, no onion, no alcohol, no garlic, no fish, no cow, no chicken, no pig. It's if you really, the only thing you'll find in it that somebody's gonna be like, well, is it gluten-free? No, it's got gluten. It has to have something. So, but yeah, I've reviewed this before. Not a super huge fan of it, but I probably would be if I couldn't have these things. So yeah, worth checking out. So usually there's some kind of do-it-yourself thing that comes in these boxes, and this is part of that action. This is Bonshu Somen. So you take these noodles and something else from the package and you put them together and wham bam, there you go. Usually it has something to do with a recipe card. So yeah, and these look like they're probably pretty decent noodles. I don't know who makes them. I don't know. But yeah, a lot of pretty good grip of noodles for you. Ah, perfect. And here's what goes with that somen. This is agodashi soup powder. So this is basically a little pack of soup-based sachets, and you make a broth with it, and you can put the noodles with it, and there you go. And lo and behold, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the bonus item. This month's bonus item is shrimp tempura somen topping. Simply put on top of somen to amp up your dish. The ingredients in the mix are shrimp, bonito, nori, and green onion. You can enjoy it with other meals like a top salad, udon, and tofu too. Alright friends, so in this, the October 2020 Umai crate, you get soup base powder, somen topping, kitsune udon, tanuki oyaji tonkotsu ramen, spicy Italian cheese noodle, sesame shoyu ramen, no ramen, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at japancrate.com for shooting over this Umai crate. Yeah, if you want to get one of these, head over there and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for your discount. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.